everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. This unboxing is actually from Craft Obsessions. I'm not sure I've actually done a video of Craft Obsessions, and the reason I made this purchase this week is because they actually had 25% off. I'm not sure if it's still on. I think it has gone now. I really wish I could get these parcels so that you could also benefit from any of the vouchers that I've seen if they're still live, but unfortunately there's nothing I can do once they're not live, and my purchase only comes after it's gone. So anyway, enough of that waffle, let's get into this beauty. Here we are, guys, with all the goodies. The first things that's catching my eye are the Distress Oxide. I got, they didn't have that many to begin with anyway, but what they did have I already had, and these were the only two colours that they had that I didn't, so that's why I picked them up. If they'd have had more colours I didn't actually own, and I wouldn't mind, I haven't got that many oxides anyway, but if they had, I would have ordered every one, because these ended up being like £4.50 with the discount, so that's an absolute bargain. So we've got the Speckled Egg and Villainous Potion. I can't say it, but you know what I'm saying. Hopefully anyway. Then I got myself for the mini misters, and I think these was ended up being about £1.50, or maybe there was £1.50 minus then your discount on top. I really can't remember. And then we got the pack ink set 16, and we've got the Speckled Egg again, but these are the Distress inks, the Crackling Campfire, Rustic Wilderness and Kitsch Flamingo. So I haven't got these. I'm still in the midst of collecting all of these up, so I got these at a bargain price. And then all these stickles, I did end up buying doubles by accident. I didn't realise I'd put two in the in my cart until I got an invoice later on. So I've got tarnished brass, then we've got tea dye, then we've got two of the antique bronze, then we've got weathered wood, chipped sapphire, and the last one was forest moss. And these was £1, but obviously in the sale, but then they had the 25% off, so technically 75p each, so that's a really good bargain. Then I got this little Cinderella's pumpkin carriage, that's what it says to me anyway, and these should be £1, but I'd actually got it for 75p. And then we've got some of these Carriage stamps. We've got Christmas Tide and Day. I'm not too sure how much these were, but nothing was really that expensive, to be fair. So yes, I'm really excited to try and use these, because although it's in Christmas Tide, like, you could use these ducks any time of year. You can use the twigs. You can use so much of this all year round, not just for Christmas. And then we've got another little like journaling stamp set for the babies, which is really good, because I do tend to make quite a few baby albums, and that's what, like, usually when I make things, that's quite a lot that gets requested for me to make. So I thought, well, may as well start getting some stamps and dies and stuff that's baby related, so this will really help with those little booklets. And then we've got this gorgeous Prima set. I'm sure it was from Prima. Yeah, it is from Prima. And it's all on rubber. I don't quite see what they're called. No, so I don't know what this stamp set's called anyway, but you've got a lovely little frame here saying Natural Beauty, a little old-fashioned mirror, perfume bottle, a rose, and the music notes. And this is what I mainly got it for, to be fair. This is what caught my eye. And again, these was not that expensive considering it's Prima as well. So the next thing we got is these lovely stamps by Sandy Lion sticker collection, it says. Oh, sticker design, sorry. I've been really struggling to actually find some stamps that's boy related, that's little boy related anyway. So every time I find something that is like good for little boys. I will try to pick some up, because it only came to me recently when I was doing my little nephew's card. I had very little and I had to use stickers, which they're okay. I don't mind using stickers, but I'd like to have that option to use stickers, stamps, design, whatever I want to do. And this really fulfilled quite a lot, because you've got like the trucks, you've got the animals, you've got the rockets, you've got space themed as well. And I can't remember how much this is, but I will have a look. So this was £6.50 minus the 25% off, I think. But it's not very clear because it's given me the full price. But I'm sure this was actually in the sale as well. So I don't know, but maybe they've still got it on there and you'll be able to see it. But to me, this is going to be perfect for my little boy's stamps. Then we've got 2 easy mount sheets. I've got some stamps, rubber stamps I need to be mounting up, and they've just been laying there for a couple of months, so I really need to get on with that and sort that out so I can use them. So that's why I bought them. And then the last thing is this prom mini album type thing, the chipboard ones. And I've actually got this because my sister's doing her prom this year, so I thought as a nice little surprise I'd do her decorate this up. Once I find out what colour her dress is, then I'll try to match it up or coordinate it with it. So yes, that was my haul from Craft Obsession, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love it if you would please comment, subscribe, and thank you for everyone who does actually comment and subscribe. It really means the world to me. I know sometimes I'm a day or so behind with the comments, but I do try to answer them as soon as I see them. So yeah, so thank you again, guys, and I shall see you on the next video. Bye.